Question 24. The factors that enhances the polarizability of an anion are A. High charge and large size. B. High charge and small size. C. Low ionization energy. D. Small charge and large size. The correct answer is A. High charge and large size. Explanation. Polarizability means how easily an ion's electron can be squished or pulled by another atom. So bigger clouds, aka larger ions, and higher charges mean more distortion. Think of it like a big pillow. If you have a big pillow, pillows are easier to squeeze than a rock or a stone.